Hello, this is Sana. I am going to show you how to do a 3/1 right purl cable. Now, when I look at that written on a pattern, it may look like this, 3/1 right purl cable. And in my mind, I see that 3 stitches are going to lean to the right, 1 stitch is going to be purled. So here I am in my pattern where the instructions tell me it's time to cable, and I can see my 1 purl stitch right here. Do you see the bump? Oops, here we go. And 3 knit stitches. So I know that if I want it to lean to the right, that means these knit stitches are going to be knit first. And I need this purl stitch to get out of the way. And we say I'm going to be right back. So I hold it in back, and then I knit my 3 knit stitches. Okay, so now it's time to actually work our 3/1 right purl cable. So I'm going to take my double point or cable needle or toothpick or whatever I have. I'm going to say to myself, I will be right back because I want it to lean to the right. And that reminds me, so I actually say that. That reminds me that whatever I put on my cable needle needs to be held in back. I work the 3 stitches from my left needle, my holding needle, and then I work the 1 stitch from my cable needle. It's a purl, so I'm going to purl it. Ka-doop, ka-doop, ka-doop. My next stitch is a purl, and I'm just going to do that so that we can see what we have here. And I'm going to stop this video, and I'll show you in the next one. Okay, this, my loves, is the next one. So just a minute ago, we did a 3/1 right purl cable. And you can see my 3 knit stitches here lean to the right. It pulls that whole cable to the right. And here's my purl hiding out in the back there. From the back of my work, you can see my purl stitch. If I actually turn it to look at the wrong side, the purl stitch leans to the right from the wrong side. Let's look at that one more time. This is the second purl stitch I purled. So these 4 here make up our cable. When it says 3/1, we can do some super quick math and say 3 + 1 is 4 and know that we will be working with 4 stitches. So we have 3 knit stitches leaning to the right and our 1 purl stitch hanging out back there.